Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday for you. Happy birthday, Van of Action. Happy birthday on you. And it is our birthday. Happy birthday to us. Van of Action is 1 year old. January 31st, 2021 was the first time I posted a video on the Van of Action video channel on YouTube. And what a year it's been. It's just been absolutely amazing. I want to say happy birthday and thank you. It's just phenomenal. When I started this channel, I really didn't know what to expect. I don't know that I had any expectations at all. We had moved from Ontario to British Columbia. The interior of British Columbia is just spectacular. And I knew we were going to be doing a van build. And all the time that we were researching our van build, I was watching video after video on YouTube. And I kept saying, I wonder why they're doing it that way. I wouldn't do it that way. I wonder what they're thinking of. I wonder why they would do it that way. And so I thought when I did my van build, I would document it and share it, and maybe someone else might find it useful. And it's really grown into a lot more than I had ever expected it to. Because we had moved to a new community, we wanted to try and become a part of that community and support it. So we made the decision that we were not going to buy anything from Amazon. We're not buying from Amazon. You know, you can buy windows like this on Amazon. To buy it from Amazon. Unless it was absolutely necessary. A couple times it was. Always left a bad taste in my mouth. What I would do is when I needed stuff and we sourced, like the roof of the van was locally sourced cedar. We bought we bought everything we could locally. And when I needed stuff, I would go into the local community. I would go to a shop and I'd take a look and see if they had it. And if the price was way out of whack, I'd say to the shop owner, look, you know, this is what I'm doing. I would like to buy it from you. I don't want to buy off Amazon. But is there something we can do? Because the price just doesn't make any sense. I can't justify it. And in every case, those shop owners tried to find some way to accommodate. It might have been changing the quantities, changing the delivery, lowering the price. I didn't always pay as much as I might have paid. I always paid more than I had to. And that made me feel good because I felt like I was helping a neighbor put food on their table. I was making not a friend, but an acquaintance, someone I could nod to in the grocery store if we passed each other. And it felt good. It felt really good to become part of this community. And all the time I was doing that, we were building a community here at Van of Action too. It's just been really just amazing to me. I've posted a total of 172 videos. 35 are the long-form van build videos. The rest of them are the short little clips that seemed important for a while. I posted a bunch of them. I don't do those anymore, just the long-form videos now. And those videos have been watched 76,500 times in the last year. Think about that. 76,500 times. In the last month, they've been watched 7,820 times. It just boggles my mind. That translates into 3,069 hours. In the last year, when I think about this, in the last year, people around the world have spent 3,069 hours of their time watching my shit online. I just can't believe that. I just can't believe that. It blows me away. But the community is amazing. What's most amazing of all is the subscribers. When I started this channel, I thought if I hit 100 subscribers, it would be absolutely monumental. And in the last year, as of today, we have 738 subscribers, it just blows me away. It's become a really neat community. We're getting comments, we're getting ideas, we're getting people interacting with each other. It's just been phenomenal for me. You know, I've got people all over the world. And some of us have taken the YouTube relationship and taken it off of that onto Facebook or something. You know, we're exchanging Christmas cookie recipes. Jane, you know, I'm talking to folks in the UK, in Italy, in Australia, certainly continental North America. The van build community is just amazing, and the Van of Action community has just been so much fun. And it's become a really important part of my day because in a new community, as I am, and in a remote place, as I am, waking up in the morning and looking forward to some comments, some ideas, some interaction online has become a really important part of my day. So please don't stop doing that, you know. If you have something you want to say, say it. And if you got something you want to criticize, because I'm not suggesting for a moment that what I'm doing is right. I'm just throwing out a seed and hopefully it'll grow and someone can take it. And it's happened. Someone have taken my ideas and improved upon them. And that's what it's all about. It's been a great year. In the coming year, I've got the van to finish. I've got a few things to do. I'm going to be sharing as I go along with that. And then I'm going to start using it. And I'm going to critique what works and what doesn't. Maybe do some travel logs. It's going to be a lot of fun. It's we're really blessed to be where we are, even though we're living through what we're living through. It's been a great year. I want to say thank you to everyone. Please come back. Cheers. You. Happy birthday, van of action. Happy birthday on you.